Hi, fourth graders. We are going to take our graphic organizer we did yesterday, and we are going to work on our rough draft of our how-to project. So you will need your writer's notebook, your pencil, and your graphic organizer opened up on Seesaw. So when you're done watching this video, I'm going to have you open that up and have your notebook and pencil handy as well. So your first job is to take your graphic organizer and turn it into those written directions of your rough draft. So I'm going to show you an example of what your rough draft should look like and give you a few pointers as you continue working. So on your piece of notebook paper, you need to make sure that at the top you have a title and your name. So I titled mine, How to Make a PB&J Sandwich by Mrs. Houston. Now, of course you can be creative when you create your title, as long as it's clear what you are making or doing. Okay? Then you're going to start numbering the steps that you have on your graphic organizer. So I have number 1, gather all materials. Remember that all of our step number 1s should be gathering materials. I then list the materials we need. You will need 2 pieces of bread, peanut butter, jelly, 1 butter knife, and 1 plate. Notice then how I skipped a line in between step 1 and step 2. Please be sure you skip lines to leave yourself room. Step 2, put the 2 pieces of bread on a plate side by side. Okay. I'm going to be as specific as possible. Now, I noticed that since this is my rough draft, but I still can make changes, that you know what I forgot to do, friends, is add in one of those transition words. So I'm going to say next, put the pieces of bread on a plate side by side. Okay, don't forget you have those transition words on your graphic organizer from yesterday. I will then continue on my sheets of paper, skipping lines in between steps to finish out the process of my how-to project. When you are finished, take a picture of your rough draft and submit on slide number 4 in Seesaw for your teacher to see. Tomorrow, we will edit and work on our final copy and check this part of our project off of our list. Great job today, fourth graders.